Hello guys, welcome to my channel Aloryx. Today we are going to look at OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, the best neckband which we can buy under 2000 rupees. So OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z comes in this sort of box packing. In front it shows that for 10 minutes charge you can get 10 hours of playback and the maximum charge is 20 hours. In back you can see watt charge. 10 minutes of charging gives you 10 hours of listening time, long battery life, magnetic control, waterproof and such informations. Okay, now let's open it. So here it is. Pull this tab out and you can see the Bullet Wireless. Let's take it out. There's only one button at this part. It also has a USB Type-C charging. The volume control and the play pause button is integrated into the wire. So let's check what else is inside the box. So this has user guide and accessories, some paperworks, some, I think it's guaranteed, other manuals. You will get a Type A to Type C USB Type C port. So let's see how to pair it with the OnePlus 7T. So first of all, we must disconnect. We must not connect it with the magnet. Then go to the Bluetooth settings, pair new device, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Allow access. Okay, now it's connected to the Bullet Wireless. So one of the main features of this Bullet Wireless Z is that if we clip these together, this would disconnect it from the phone. You can have a closer look. It's now connecting. Okay, if we are clipping this together, it automatically disconnected from the phone. So the reason why I will suggest this over any other earphones under 2000 rupees is because of its battery life. This lasts you more than 4 days on a single charge. So it is approximately 20 hours as claimed by the company, and I'm getting over 18 hours of playback. So talking about the sound quality, I'm very impressed by the sound quality of Bullet Wireless Z, but it has one downside, that is in place of bass. It has very low bass, so it may be not suitable for high bass listeners. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more awesome content, subscribe to Aloryx and please hit that like button and share to every friend you know.